Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new limited edition beauty bag from Look Fantastic and it is the Lip Edit. This was released a couple of days ago alongside the Solutions edits, which came out just a few days before this one. So they've released quite a few in less than a week. But out of them all, the Lip Edit looked more exciting for me personally. It's still available on their website. It hasn't sold out yet. It costs £40 and it has a value of £115. You obviously get this gorgeous little bag and 7 lip products. We've got lots of great brands here, so I'll go through them one by one. But if you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways we've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's start off then with MAC. I love these lipsticks. This is MACximal by MAC, and this is a sleek satin lipstick. And what is the colour? In Crème Cup. I have a few of these as MAC kindly sent them to me, I think about a year ago, not long after they were released, which you might have seen me trying out in videos. This looks quite pinky. Oh, it's alright actually. I don't like anything that's too pale. Yeah, that's a nice colour. So let's try it. I've been out all day, so excuse me if I don't look the freshest, but I thought I've got a couple of hours where I don't really have to do anything and I'm going to be really busy tomorrow. So I thought if I film these now, I might be able to edit tomorrow and then get it up then tomorrow night or the night after. Oh, alright. Oh. The formula is gorgeous, I love it, but no, I don't like the lipstick. I was never a fan of the foundation concealer lip look. Super, super nude. It's not too bad, but it's just a little bit too pale. I've seen a lot worse, but I think I'll see if my daughter would like it. It's not one that I would wear, unfortunately. Love, love, love this, the MACximal lipsticks, but unfortunately not in a Crème Cup shade. Then we've got a lip balm by Bondi Sands, and this is with SPF 50 Wild Strawberry. Ooh, I can't wait to smell this. So this is full size as well. I think, how many full sizes? I think we've got quite a few. I think we've got 6 full sizes and one maybe like sample or deluxe mini. And just squeezing this up. Oh my god. It is really hard. Start from the bottom maybe. It is really, really hard just to get that little bit there. Ah, see, this is what puts me off. Is it because it needs warming up maybe? It's so hard. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, it's worth the squeezing. Definitely. Oh, that is so, so nice. Yeah, I love that. Oh, it just smells absolutely gorgeous. So we got a Wild Strawberry lip balm there. Then we got a Glass Balm by Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty as well. This is in shade Fussy. It says, Irresistible Shine, Nourishing Wear, Universal Finishing Touch. So it's a lip illuminizer. Ooh. There. The colour looks nice. Yeah, that one's pretty. It looks very similar to the one I've got on. I haven't washed it off my hand yet. There. I think that MAC lipstick looks better on my hand than it does actually on my lips. But yeah, I like this. Would look good on top as well of wearing that MAC lipstick. You got a little bit of shimmer going on in there. No, that's pretty. I really like that. That's quite a nice nudie type lip gloss there. Then we've got Paragon MD No Makeup Lip Oil. I love a lip oil with peptides, hyaluronic acid, pomegranate seed oil. I was expecting it to be clear. It's not. Well, I'm assuming it says raspberry, so it's a tinted oil possibly. Oh wow, look at that colour. Oh, it reminds me of the Clarins lip oils. Okay. Ooh. That's a lot more subtle than what I thought it would be. But then it's a lip oil, whereas the Fenty is more of a lip gloss. A satin lipstick in the middle. And then, yeah, this is a lip oil with a very slight tint. I tend to wear lip oils, though, you might have heard me mention before, on top of really matte lipsticks. I really do like that. I like the fact that it's got a little bit of a colour there, a little bit of a tint, just to give more of a rosier glow. It's a skincare infused lip oil by Paragon MD. What else have we got? We've got LANEIGE, and we've got a lip glowy balm in berry fruits. Received this in another beauty box. Possibly, maybe a Cult Beauty one, I can't remember. There. So again, another light tint. Very similar to the lip oil. It's a lip balm. So you've got the look of a lip oil, but it is a really nice moisturising balm. It's not as thick and sticky as, I forgot the brand. What have we got? Bondi Sands. The gorgeous smelling strawberry one. It's more of a lighter sort of balm, but still very, very nice with a slight bit of a tint. It's all disappeared now. That's by LANEIGE. I want to change this lip colour. What have we got? We have got Fresh. This is Sugar Lip Treatment. So this is a little mini one. It is got a shade, and this is Rose. So let's add that over here, there at the top there. So again, it's quite sheer with a bit of a tint, a little bit more than the oil down there. But yeah, so this is more of a lip balm, a tinted lip balm. So we've got a lip treatment by Fresh. And then the last item is Kiko Milano. And this is a creamy colour comfort lip liner in 05. So what is it? I'm guessing it's going to blend in with everything else on my hand there and on that hand. So Look Fantastic did a limited edition beauty box, a Kiko Milano one, a few months ago, which I unboxed on my channel, and I'm sure I had an eyeliner in there. But yeah, no, that's pretty. There, the little tree, and yes, it goes with everything on my hand. It's a creamy lip liner, I like that. So basically, looking at my hands then, you can't see much on there, but we've got a clear lip balm, we've got a tinted lip balm, we have got a tinted lip oil, we've got a satiny sheen lipstick, we've got a lip liner, we've got an illuminating gloss, and we've got a tinted lip treatment, all in roughly the same sort of shades. Right, let's try this lip liner on. Let's see if I can make this lipstick a bit better. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't think I'd go out and buy it. Yeah, I think this lip liner has toned it down a little bit. It's made it more into a wearable colour for me. It's not to say that it's awful. It's just what we like, isn't it? But yeah, if you love your pinky nude type shades and you want a bit of everything lip related, then maybe this limited edition is for you. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you gone out and bought it, or are you thinking, nah, do you know what, it's not for me this time? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.